Okay, I'm back in this motherfucker. Who the fuck you think I be besides the other brother? You don't know? I don't give a fuck your mother. Nigga, fuck your mother. I'll cut you and then burn you like Usher. Motherfucker, who you think I be? Southwest, I rep the D. Niggas cannot see me. Who the fuck you think I be? You can't see not a damn thing, carnivore. Only thing you see is teeth. Cause the only thing you see is teeth. You want beef with me, within the beef I'll eat. Carnivore, I had to tell you again. Now Halo, that's my kin. Hey.
All you see is beef, all you see is me, the frequency, no decency, it's the easily is put in 3 + 3, fuck with me, no homo though, N-O-H-O-M-O, we don't hold them hoes, all we know is dope, it's what we do, we sold for dope, I owe for show, I'm trying to go for broke, second time, plus the third, I'm about to rush your curve, you's a fucking nerd,
bust them birds. Skirt them herds.
Fuck them birds.
Fuck them hoes. Nigga throw them bows. Nigga break his nose cause he's a hoe. We don't really give a fuck, nigga. And you know, this is how we roll. Me and my nigga Halo. Niggas getting pesos. Her booty big like J-Lo. I had to say it again cause I'm back on the map. If a bitch act up, then her ass gets slapped. And I ain't trying to disrespect you cause you know I bring the pain and I don't really mean to fuck up. Hey Lil Rain, you know I do my thing every time you niggas see me. Oh, damn. My wrist look like C3PO.
And I am R2-D2. It's hard to sneak through the dark and eat food.
Damn.
Yeah, I part with these two like the Red Sea. Test me, you will get your testes crunched like Nestle. Yes, please. Ride on the beat like a jet ski.
Damn.
Get the game sold up. Give me an SP. Who's next, please?
Yeah. And that just mean that we the best, bitch, young black nigga. Chocolate like Nesquik. You know how I do it when a nigga am the best shit. You can't see me, your bullets can't even test this. Yeah. The shit I say, man, you know I bring the pain. Never been Damon Wayans, but I do it majorly. And damn, you niggas don't wanna fight me. I run your bitch ass over like I'm Spike Lee. Like
Damon Wayans, no David Blaine. I'm not the child for destiny. She still says my name. Okay, Jermaine, are they insane? They take names, they take aim right at your frame, cock back and blast you, that is lame. Ask again, I can't explain, give a fuck what you talking to. I ain't talking to, but watch who the fuck you talking to. Come on through, nigga, bring the hawkers too.
Yeah, you can catch me in the bench just chillin', relaxing. I don't take one for the team, pussy nigga, I'm passing. If she want that dick, then that ass I'm thrashing. And I don't give a fuck like potatoes, I'm smashing. The nigga straight cashing, out at the bank. Nigga flow top rank, nigga sharp as a shank. Every time a nigga do it, man, this shit don't stink. But a nigga don't spit, cause this shit don't stink. Hold up, wait a minute, you pussy's a liar. Look at my nigga lap, yeah, my nigga's on fire.
I'm a rider, you'll expire. Cause I get higher, left side ya, left right ya, uppercut, what the fuck, lay you like a knife until I get up in the fucking cut.
Damn, and we both some riders, use the liar, grip that ass like bioscripts. Apply.